Thousands of years ago, before cities, before science, before technology, there was only wild life. Every single day was a battle, against hunger, against deadly animals, and against the harsh forces of nature. Today, we take you back to those ancient times, when humans began their very first journey of survival. The earliest human groups were small and fragile. Discovering fire was their greatest victory. Fire did not only bring them light, it protected them from wild beasts and gave them the power to cook food, which made them stronger. But how did they hunt? A single man could not survive alone. That's why humans learned unity. They formed groups, they worked together, and together they stayed alive. Stone tools became their lifeline. At first, they were just rough pieces of rock. But slowly, humans shaped them into sharper, smarter weapons. With these tools, they mastered hunting, and step by step, they learned how to defend themselves. At night, when darkness fell, the greatest fear was not the cold, but the predators that ruled the forests. And so, humans gathered around the fire. That circle of fire became more than protection. It became the very heart of their community. Today, we live in comfort, far from that ancient struggle. But thousands of years ago, every moment was a fight for survival, and every day was a chance to win or die. It was this endless battle that shaped us into who we are. And maybe, deep inside, a part of that old spirit still lives within us. The will to fight, to survive, and to overcome every challenge.